Hey guys, in this video I'll be making Jessica Alba's spicy caliente avocado toast by following her recipe, and I'll give you my review at the end.
This is avocado toast caliente.
Yes, we're gonna do a little bit of spice, baby.
Yes, a little bit of spice on avocado toast. So here's the ingredients we'll need. I'll be making 2 avocado toasts. So I have 2 sourdough bread, 2 avocado, butter, fresh chopped cilantro, small jalapeno, some cherry tomatoes, half of a lemon cut in half. And Jessica highly recommends using this Jane's Crazy mixed up salt. It's seasoned with salt, herbs and spices, dehydrated onion, and dehydrated garlic. So we'll give this a try since Jessica recommends it. And that's it, so let's get started. We'll first start cutting the avocado in half and then removing the pit. Now slice the avocado in dices and scoop out the avocado with a spoon. Now cut the second avocado the same way. Now using a spoon or fork, mash down the avocado, but don't mash it too much because Jessica likes her avocado chunky.
And I like to keep it kind of chunky. I don't like to mash it up too much.
Okay, so this looks about right. Alright, next we'll toast the 2 sourdough breads until they're a little crispy. While that's toasting, we can cut up the cherry tomatoes. Use as much as you want. I just grabbed a handful. And I'll just cut them into dices like this. Now we'll cut up the jalapeno. Jessica doesn't use the entire jalapeno, just a portion of the tip. Now cutting them into finer minced pieces. Okay, we can set that aside. Now when the sourdough breads are ready, you'll want to make sure they're crispy, as Jessica likes it.
So I think the trick to a really good avocado toast is also to really toast your bread really nice.
Yeah, it should be crunchy.
It should be like a crunch to it.
So now we'll add butter. Next, we'll add over the avocado. So 1 avocado should be generous for 1 large sourdough toast. The toasts I'm using here are medium sized, so I end up having extra avocado left. Now we'll add on the cherry tomatoes onto each slice. The tomatoes really add some pop of color to your toast. And add on the minced jalapeno to each slice. Side note, the more seeds you have in the jalapeno, the spicier it'll get. And squeeze a slice of lemon juice over. And then sprinkle with some chopped cilantro. Now to top it off, Jessica likes to use Jane's Crazy salt.
This is my favorite salt in the whole world, Jane's Crazy salt. If you don't know about it,
You should.
you should, because this is a life changer.
I only bought this salt because Jessica recommended it. And there you go, Jessica Alba's spicy caliente avocado toast. I'll give you my taste review on this next. Alright, done making Jessica Alba's spicy avocado toast. So we're gonna give this a try. This looks really good. Okay. I taste the jalapeno. It's not too hot.
It's not that spicy, just a hint of kick. Okay, yeah, this is good. This is very like a veggie type of toast with the tomato, cilantro, and that seasoned salt. It's really good together. Yeah, with the cilantro and the lemon, it has like a Mexican type of flavor. Yeah, I like this with the tomatoes. I've never heard of this until Jessica Alba brought this up. That she said this is a definite must and her favorite. So I'm gonna try to add a little more. See if I can get more taste out of it. Oh yeah, this is good. Definitely adds more flavor. And it's just not salt. This has herbs and spices along with dehydrated onion and dehydrated garlic. Oh yeah, this is really good. It says it's low in sodium, MSG free, gluten free, no added sugar. This is better than if you had regular salt on the avocado toast. Definitely adds more flavor. All these ingredients, perfect amount and perfect blend. The taste is perfect. It's not that spicy. You can probably add a little bit more jalapeno. When you add the jalapeno, if you add in the seeds, it'll probably make it more spicy. I hardly had any seeds in here. This is probably why it's not that spicy. If you add more of the middle part of the jalapeno with the seeds, it probably will get more spicy. And that crunchy sourdough bread made in the toaster oven a little bit longer, so it's a little crunchy. That was a good difference as well. Yeah, overall, I really like this. I would definitely make this again. I give this a 10 out of a 10. 2 thumbs up, perfect. This was my first time trying this, and I think this added good flavor. This was a real good bonus. And the tomato with the lemon, cilantro, jalapeno, dices of it was all perfect. Yeah, I loved it. So yeah, thanks Jessica Alba for sharing this recipe. If you guys haven't tried this out, try it out, and I think you'll love it. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Aloha.